Hello friends, today in this tutorial we will be building a online image converter kind of a application in JavaScript and Bootstrap. So you can see here on your screen here, this is the application that we will be building. I have deployed this application on my website. This is codingsiksha.com/apps/image converter. So this is a live demo. So here two options are there. Either you can provide an image URL or you can choose file from your local system. First of all, I will show you how to select files. Let's suppose you select here a PNG file. A PNG file has been selected. Now you have the option to convert this into a JPEG image and GIF. Let me select JPEG image and then click convert image, and now it will see you can see that it has converted this image to this JPEG. If I open this, this is your JPEG image which is converted here. This is the first option, and the second option is that you can provide a URL, image URL. So basically you can go to internet and provide any sort of image URL. So this is a PNG file, once again PNG image file. Let's suppose I want to convert to this time GIF. So convert, that's it. Instantly it will download on your local system. This is a GIF file. So this is a simple image converter kind of application. As this is a live app here on my website, I have given a live demo link. You can go to the video description and go to this link and try this app out for your image converting task. And for the full source code of this tutorial, I have written a blog post on my website. Let me just show you. If you go to two links are provided. The second link will be the blog post link of my website. If you go to Coding Siksha, I have written this blog post. You can see that build a image converter using Bootstrap 4 and JavaScript. So all the step-by-step instruction is given. So all the source code is also given inside this block. You can see that first is a live demo, and then there are some screenshots, and this is a HTML code, and this is a JavaScript code. You can just need to copy paste the code, and also if you drag down you will see a download source code. If you click that, you will be redirected to the GitHub repository. Here you can click on the code, click on the download zip file to follow along with the video. So in this video I will be building this from scratch. So just open your favorite text editor and make two files, index.html and script.js. So inside the index.html we will make a simple bootstrap template, and I will change the title to image converter in JavaScript. And now we will make use of the container class of Bootstrap. After this, have a break tag, and then we will have a simple text heading which will be simple image converter like this. And after this we will have a break tag, and then guys we will have a simple form which will have a ID of my form, so that we can target this inside jQuery. After this guys we will have a simple input field where we can provide our URL, and we will also be attaching a bootstrap class of form control. So input type text, so we need not have to provide name attribute. We have provided ID to URL and class to form control. So this should be we can provide a placeholder URL, and after this we also have to provide one other control to select files from the local system. So this time this will be input file. Same class I will apply form control, and this time I can change the name attribute to image, and that's it. After this we will have a simple button to submit the form. The label of the button will be simply convert image. So now we can open this with live server. So if I right click open with live server, this is your application. So we can provide some label as well. So after this we can provide a simple label. This is for our image, and here I can just write select image like this. After this we also need to provide one other label for the format. So whatever format that you need to select, so this will be a drop down, simple drop down. So I can just go to my blog here and copy paste the code. So this is a Bootstrap drop down that you see. I need to delete this, so because this will come inside the form group. Let me delete this, paste it. So there are JPEG, PNG and GIF. So now if I refresh, you will see, so these are my drop downs here. You can see that JPEG, PNG and GIF. So this is the interface of the application, simple and elegant, no complexities are involved. Now we are including the jQuery CDN as well, and now we need to include the library as well from which we are converting these images. So I have found this library online from a GitHub repository. So here you need to copy paste the CDN. So this is the actual library which converts the images inside the browser. So make a script tag and inside source paste the CDN. So you can find this inside the source code also. So this is the actual library. So now we will make our script.js. For that we also need to include this file. So after this, make another script tag and inside source include your script.js. So now first of all guys, we will write the document.ready function of jQuery. So when all the elements are loaded, we need to target our form element, which we have given an ID of my form. So when the form submits, this callback function will execute. We need to prevent this from preventing the form from auto submitting. Now we will get the URL that the user has typed like this, and then we can call the library, simply call the library. So there is a specific method inside the library. So if you go to the block, you will see, let me just see. So first of all, we will check that if the value being provided inside the URL is empty or not. So we will check inside this if condition. If the value isn't empty, then we will be initializing this. Let me just change this to URL, not, and let me comment this out. We will call this convert image function, passing our URL. So we need to make this function which is convert image. So simply inside this convert image, let me just also copy paste this function. So right here, inside this convert image, we are receiving the image URL, and also we are getting the whatever option is selected in the drop down. This is a format. We have provided this ID of format. If you see closely, this is the ID we have provided format here. So we are making use of that. So option :selected. So this will take the option that the user select and store this inside image type. Now we simply need to call this method browser image converter dot download image with type. This takes two arguments. First is the image URL, second is the image type. So this will automatically download the image for you, and let me try out the application. So if you go to a link here, let's suppose let me provide this URL of the image. Simply plug in that, click on, let me select a format, let's suppose change to GIF, and now basically you will see, let me inspect the element, what is the problem. Sometimes it can occur, this CORS related problem, because localhost doesn't provide you that access. So if you're hosting this on live server, then only this CORS error will not come. So we can plug this image which is provided by as a sample image, and if I click convert image, you will see our image is converted from JPG to GIF. Again, we can change this to PNG, convert image. You can see that it is doing the task. So now we are successfully getting this functionality. Now we just need to choose a file and then we need to convert it. So first of all, what we need to do is that we need to take the input. So whatever input that the user provides. So inside this blog, you will find the code for that also. So whenever the input changes, so first of all, let me just copy paste that code. So right here outside this form submit, you need to copy paste it here. So whenever the input changes, so we have provided a ID to it of this image here. You can see that we have provided this ID of image. So whenever the input changes, this callback function will automatically trigger holding this event object, and we are getting the value out of that. So this will get the actual file, and now we need to read that image. So we need to make this function which is read image, and this will have the actual file which has been selected by the user. So this will be passed to an argument. So now we actually need to read the file, read the image file. So basically this is a sample code. If I paste it, so we are first of all checking that if this is a valid image or not. So if this is not a valid image, we are printing out in the alert box that file is not an image. So this is kind of a validation for you. Then we have this reader, new file reader. So basically this is a way by which we are reading the image file reader. And when the reader dot add event listener, so when the image loads successfully, then we are initializing it to the URL parameter that we haven't declared here. So we can declare this image URL variable here, right here at the top, like this. So when we are initializing this image URL to event.target.result. So basically this will console log the base64 code of the image, and then after this we are in the else block, we are triggering this function which is convert image. So basically here we need to pass the image URL, not this URL, because this image URL is there. You can see that we are initializing it to event.target.result. So here you need to pass image URL. So once again this will call this function. So this function will execute, get the image type, and then it will download the image for us. Now if I test this application, if I choose any kind of file here, let's suppose again this is a PNG file. If I click convert image, now you will see that our image will be successfully converted and it will be downloaded as attachment. Once again I can select one other different image like this, click convert image. Now once again your image will be downloaded. So in this tutorial we have built a very simplistic image converter, and all the links of the source code and a live demo is given in the video description. You can check that, and please hit the like button, share the video, and also hit the subscribe button, and I will be seeing you in the next video.